Hey, good morning to you and God bless. Just thought I'd show you today we are making a light switch, but it's one of those Frankenstein style light switches. It should look awesome. The print looks to be going very well. Looks like one of the corners got unstuck, but it's because my temperature dropped. But a couple out backs working on that. Got some parts over here that we have to finish. That is a filament roll holder. Awesome. With the desktop. And you can see great quality. A little bit of, got some supports that I gotta take out in there, but still looking great. That's that project. I know, I've got so many things. And the ender, which I get the hot end in a little bit, and I'll let you guys know. Alright, God bless. See you in a bit.